Mochi, come. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a vlog about my room tour. I wanted to do this videos a while back, but it was just so busy and didn't get time to organize my room. So since Christmas is one of my favorite season, and I just wanted to take time and tidy up my room a little bit so that I can get the holiday spirit going on. So let's check it out. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is my clothing rack. I tried to change the clothing piece season by season. So right now it's full of winter coat and jacket, but in the spring I will have my spring outfit here, as well as for summers and fall. So underneath the clothing rack is where I store some of my shoes. These are the shoes that I don't normally wear, like high heels and some designer sandals that I only wear for a special occasion. So I just keep them here. I'm personally obsessed with photo clip string light. So you will see a bunch of string light all the wall in my room, like this corner. Over this corner I didn't get chance to print out my photo and hang it up there, but over here you can see my travel photos is up, but I think I need to print it in a smaller size because it doesn't look that good right now. But anyway, so this is where I hang my hat. So I have all of my hats is up there, my fedora, my beret, my bucket hat, and also sometimes I have my baseball cap is there as well. I'm also a big fan of DIY, so I often get the stuff from store and put them together myself. To be honest, it's not that hard. You just have to follow the instruction. Like this shelf I bought from IKEA, and I just put all the pieces together and hang them up. So this corner is where I have all of my wall art hang up. I love art, even though I'm not a great painter. But here's some of my drawing that I struggle to bring to life. And this is one of my favorite out of all. It basically shows my infinite love to the city that I have spent almost 10 years here, and I still love it so much. So this is what I got for my birthday from one of my best friends from high school. I just love the fact that it's the frame come from a real tree, and he drew an American map on it. This gift is just so unique and I just love it so much. Then here's my works and study area. I like to keep my desk simple and neat, so I don't usually put too much deco on it. But since it is the Christmas season, I have my Christmas trees up and also a llama. Isn't this llama is cute? I saw it in the store and I was like, I have to get it. It's just so cute. And over this corner is some of my go-to fragrance. I just put them up there so that it's just easy for me to grab on my way out. And that's it. Oh, and that is my best friend. I got him from Costco for $30, and he's so soft and fluffy. And here's some of the decorative stuff, like these dry flowers that I got from the lavender farm that I visit one time, and some other stuff is the gift that I got from my friends. Hi Moji. Let's go. Moji? Good boy. Good boy. Mochi. Mochi, Mochi, Mochi. Mochi, look at mommy. Hey, 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 hey. So that is the end of my room tours. Please share with me in the comment down below where do you usually get your room deco from, because I would love to know that so that I can get it for my room as well. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I see you guys in the next video.